Dear international community, we, the people of Lasanod, Somalia, write to you today with a grave concern for our safety and the future of our country. As you are aware, the President of Somaliland has recently made a public vow to commit clan cleansing in Lasanod, a city in the eastern part of Somalia. This vow, made during a speech to the Dhulbahante elders meeting, is a threat to the lives and well-being of the people living in the area. The secessionist president's actions are deeply concerning, and we believe that if his threat is carried out, it will result in one of the worst civil wars since 1991. The president is currently deploying armed clan militias to the outskirts of Lasanod, and we fear that this will lead to a devastating conflict. We urge the international community, the African Union, and the United Nations to take swift action to prevent this tragedy from occurring. We ask that you use your influence and power to restrain the secessionist president of Somaliland from committing war crimes against the people of Lasanod. The people of Lasanod have the right to live in peace and security, and it is the responsibility of the international community to ensure that this right is protected. We implore you to take this warning seriously and act quickly to prevent further violence. The time to act is now, before it is too late. The people of Lasanod personal rights needs to be protected, and that they have the right to stand with Somalia and reject the secessionist ideology. We thank you in advance for your prompt attention to this matter, and we look forward to your positive response. Best regards, the people of Lasanod.